How to change video background in CapCut using green screen. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open the CapCut application and then add the video you want to use as the background here. After that, take this layer to the start, and then from the options below, you need to find overlay. This is the one, click on it, select overlay, and then add the green screen video you want to use from here. As you can see, I've added it here. Now grab it from here and stretch it a bit to make it larger. After that, click on this green screen layer, and from these options, scroll to the left to find an option called Remove PG. Click on it, and then you'll see options like Auto Removal, Custom Removal, and Chroma Key. You need to click on Chroma Key, and now you see the Chroma Key option here. Now take this to any part of the screen where the green screen is. I'll place it here. Now as you can see, the green background has been removed from here. Next, increase the intensity a little. I'll increase it now. As you can see, it's perfect now. The green screen background of the video has been removed. Now click on this and let me play the video for you. So this is how you can remove or change the background of a video. That was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get notifications.